In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a sub-account in Go High Level. This process is straightforward, but requires careful steps to ensure you manage your accounts properly without losing essential data unintentionally. So let's dive into it. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. This is the starting point for accessing Go High Level, an essential tool for managing your digital agency accounts. In the address bar, type in Go High Level. Hit enter, and you should see www.gohighlevel.com appear in your search results. Click on this link to proceed to the official Go High Level website. Once the site loads, your next step is to log in. If you're a regular user, you're likely familiar with this page. Enter your credentials, making sure to double-check for any typos. Misspelled usernames or passwords can be frustrating roadblocks, but with a careful approach, you'll log in smoothly. After logging in, ensure you're in the agency view. This view will give you access to the sub-accounts you manage, which is crucial for performing adjustments at the sub-account level. Getting into the agency view is as simple as verifying your current view and selecting it if needed. Now, in the left-hand menu, you'll find the Sub-Accounts tab. This is your gateway to managing all the sub-accounts under your agency's umbrella. Clicking on this tab will direct you to a list of all existing sub-accounts. Next, it's time to locate the specific sub-account you wish to delete. Go through the list carefully and select the sub-account in question. Accuracy is key here to avoid accidentally removing the wrong account. Once you've found your target, focus on the three-dot menu, often referred to as an ellipsis, located right next to the Switch to Sub-Account button. This menu is a powerful tool for managing specific account settings. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Client. This action will bring up a new interface. Pay close attention to the top right corner where you'll find the Actions button. Click on it, prompting another drop-down menu. Here you'll select the Delete option. At this point, it's crucial to read and understand any disclaimers regarding data loss. Deleting a sub-account is irreversible. Once you're certain about your decision, acknowledge these disclaimers. To finalize the process, you'll need to confirm the deletion by typing the word delete into the provided field. This confirmation step adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that you are absolutely certain